So nina nje nikhulumela ngemali, khulumani yini nazi imali, onobufakazi akabuveza ubufakazi ayithulele umlomo, ubufakazi boyikhulumela bona. Mina ngikhuluma lokho engikwenzayo. Manje ngicabanga ukuthi niyongiqeda amandla, niyaphupha. Ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto leyo. Asambe siyosebenza, mufuna siyosebenza, ngiyohamba nawe kube ngathi awukazi wenze lutho. Uhamba la eduze kwami, ngikwesulile, ungasekho empilweni yami, uyitshela ukuthi ukhona, kodwa ngiqhubeke ngihamba nawe ngoba ngafundisa ukuthi uma ngingashongo lutho kuwo lubi, vele ayikho into embe ezokwenzeka. Ngiyesulana mina empilweni, ngiyakwesula mina empilweni. Ngikwesule nje uqhubeke kube khona iminyaka ewu20 ungasekho kodwa empilweni yami. Danke, ayizonde inkabi. Dicelela abantu phansi wena isona siphiwo sakho wasiphiwa uNkulunkulu leso, ilona afa oyolishiyela abazali bakho, okukhulumile kwalalelwa umkhathi, ngeke ukushintshe. Ngisho ungabhala phansi la uphinde ukusule. Beza abantu bengabi nakho, kodwa ngifuna wazi ukuthi okukhulumile ngamanga ngomuntu onedlozi njengami, umuntu onomsamo ophilayo njengami, kufanele wazi ukuthi lokho kuyokulandela ngomkhathi, not ngalezi zinto ezibhalwe phansi. Kuyokulandela kungasaboni umuntu, kodwa kuyokulandela ngoba mina ngiphilela iqiniso phambi kaThixo. Akekho umuntu engake ngahlangana naye ngaphambanisa ukukhuluma naye, akekho umuntu engahlangana naye ngemukela imali yokuthi akuyekwe lezi zinto ezenziwayo. Ngakho ke uyozama uzuyeke ukungcolisa, ngeke uzulithola ichashaza. Ukube ninayo into ephilayo ngabe kade ninikezile abantu ngoba niyakwazi ezinye izinto ukuyikhipha izonde ikaba ibambe khona. Ngiyabonga nina benkosi.
Speaking asazi thina guys nokuningi ziyaphenduka ku social media. Uphakela Mthakathi finally respond to the current situation that is going on, guys. For those who don't know what is going on, before the march on the 3rd of June 2026, Uphakela Mthakathi and Ngeze, they had a private meeting with the president Cyril Ramaphosa. People are saying Cyril Ramaphosa is the one who caused the division between Uphakela Mthakathi and Jessica's team, guys. So people are saying a lot. People have came out to drag Uphakela Mthakathi. Now Uphakela Mthakathi respond to the allegation to say Yena hasn't received anything. So if you hate him, he doesn't care, guys. They continue spreading all the lies about him. At the end of the day, you will find the truth, guys. Just bring the evidence if you do know what you're talking about. So yeah, it is a lot, guys. We don't know who's telling the truth. Either the guys that are really releasing statement talking about Uphakela Mthakathi receive 3 million from Cyril Ramaphosa. If the guy is telling the truth, we are not sure, guys. So anyway, guys, it is Saturday. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy